Two very common but sometimes confusing preposition on and in. Let's find out the difference and know the rules. Firstly, on is used when something is touching a surface or is in contact with it. For example, the book is on the table, she is sitting on the chair, there is a picture on the wall. Secondly, on is used for days and dates. For example, our maths test is on Monday, his birthday is on Sunday, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August, we are going on a trip on 30th September. Thirdly, on is used for devices and technology because the information appears on the screen. For example, I saw the news on television. She is talking on the phone. He played games on my laptop. Fourthly, on is used for large means of transport where you can stand. For example, he is on the bus. I met my friend on a plane. We enjoy traveling on a train. Next, in rule. The word in is used when something is inside, enclosed or surrounded. For example, the keys are in the bag, the clothes are in the cupboard, the milk is in the glass. Secondly, in is used for months, years and centuries. For example, he was born in January, they got married in 2005, people travel by horse in the 18th century. Thirdly, in is used for countries, cities and places. For example, she lives in India, they are staying in Delhi, many farmers work hard in villages. Fourthly, in is used for smaller vehicles like car, taxi and enclosed spaces or locations. For example, they are sitting in the car, the kids are playing in the park, the chocolates are in the fridge, he is sitting in the room. Fifthly, in is used for seasons, morning and evening. For example, we like to eat ice cream in summer season. I have yoga class in the morning. We go for a walk in the evening. Hope you all have got it very well. Now you all have to answer this in the comment section. I saw an interesting article dash the internet. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye for now. See you again.